Thanks for your invitation, Ivy. I'm David from Passcreator, and next to me is sitting Johannes from Streamboxy. Passcreator has just released support for HUAWEI Wallet. Passcreator is a SaaS solution that allows customers to create, manage, and analyze wallet campaigns, which can be anything from event tickets, vouchers, store cards, or even generic cases. Passcreator has customers from more than 40 countries and includes everything you need to set up your wallet campaign, including a what you see is what you get editor for wallet passes. Passcreator has issued more than 50 million passes since its launch back in 2012. Integrating HUAWEI Wallet into Passcreator allows us to expand our global reach and serve HUAWEI users even better. When a customer sets up a campaign in Passcreator, he logs into the online application and designs the wallet pass. For each pass that is generated, a unique URL is created and sent to the end user. No matter which way you choose to do that, being it an ad, an e-commerce store, a text message, or an email, the end user clicks on that link, the download page for the wallet pass is opened, and the user can tap the Add to Wallet button to save the wallet pass on his phone. Johannes, can you tell us something about Streamboxy?
Sure. Streamboxy is a SaaS solution for online trainings, hybrid events, and structured meetings. We got you covered from the beginning, where you plan your event, manage your participants, during the event with live video chat, live stream, tons of interaction with your audience, even if they are on site or if they're online. After the event, we have a recording for you and your participants, and we have evaluation and other cool stuff that helps you managing your participant even when the event is over. We offer our customers the best participant experience, whether they're online or on-site. This brought us together with Passcreator, and the wallet solution brought us a way to have one audience made out of on-site users and online users. This is done using a on-site check-in, using the wallet pass on the participant's phone, combined with the Passcreator companion app.
When a wallet pass is created in Passcreator, the system automatically generates a unique download URL. That URL is sent to the user. If the user decides to save the wallet pass, he clicks on Add to HUAWEI Wallet, and in that case, Passcreator sends an API call to HUAWEI Wallet's API. In that process, the personal data of the user, if there is any on the pass, is transferred and the pass is generated. After the pass has been generated, Passcreator automatically redirects the user to a download URL that adds the wallet pass to the user's wallet app. Johannes, you're using the Passcreator API in Streamboxy to create the on-site check-in for users. Tell us how that works.
Right. When a user signs up for our event, we use the Passcreator API to create wallet pass, and we send this wallet passes right with the confirmation email to our participant. The participant opens the mail, clicks on the link to the pass, and adds the pass to his wallet. From there, he's ready for the event and is presenting the wallet pass to your companion app.
Exactly. That means as soon as the user is arriving on site, he flips out his phone, shows the wallet pass that is scanned using the Passcreator companion app, and Passcreator then sends the user's ID back to the Streamboxy API. Therefore, Streamboxy knows what user has arrived on site and can display the status in the user interface of Streamboxy. Thanks for watching. If you need more information, check out passcreator.com or
streamboxy.com.
Hallo, herzlich willkommen. Hat geklappt, viel Spaß.